The Fédération Internationale de Motocyclisme released a 19-race provisional calendar on 2 October 2013. 1. The calendar was updated on 13 December 2013, 2, and again on 24 February 2014, resulting in a calendar of 18 races. 3. The 2014 calendar originally saw the addition of 2 South American races, the series' first visit to the continent since 2004. A race in Argentina at the newly upgraded Autódromo Termas de Rio Hondo is scheduled for 27 April, and a race in Brazil at the Autódromo Internacional Nelson Piquet in Brasilia was scheduled for 28 September, but the latter was subsequently removed from the calendar. 3. The round at Motorland Aragon was moved back a week, following the cancellation of the Brazilian round. 3. The standalone moto race at Laguna Seca, part of the calendar since 2005, has been discontinued.